Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a collab with another person, and her channel is called Loving Our Life. I really love their channel because it's pretty similar to mine, but they have some different things in there, and I think that their videos are fantastic. I definitely think you guys should check them out and subscribe to them too. She actually contacted me and asked me if I could do this collab with her, and I thought it was a great idea. We're doing a what we eat and our children eat in the week of quarantine. So I did leave out Saturday and Sunday just because Saturdays and Sundays are normally like we order from some local restaurants just to help them stay in business right now. So my brother actually works for a local restaurant, so it helps him keep a job too. So that's what we do because my husband has his weekends, and we're like, let's just take it easy and chill and support our local restaurants. And also, mama doesn't have to cook. I can definitely use days like that. I love it. So I will be sharing with you guys Monday through Friday with what I eat and what my kids eat. And oops, it's some of the days I forgot to share what I had for dinner, but I did put in there when I'm showing you the lunch section, the lunch part, I do say like what we had for dinner because I just keep forgetting. I think it's because the days are long and I'm like, I just forget. So there is some though that I share with you guys what we have for dinner, and I show you. So I made a pot roast in my Instapot and it turned out fabulous, and I will be sharing that with you guys. And yeah, so yeah, after this video, head on over to her channel. Remember, Loving Our Life, and I'll put her link to her channel down in the description box below, so you can click on it, head on over to it, watch her video, give her a like, and subscribe to her because you will not regret it. And then yeah, let's get on to the video. This morning I am having 2 things of the strawberries and cream instant oatmeal, and definitely coffee, and I'm using this funfetti because it tastes amazing. For the creamer is so good. Part of my lunch today, I have a turkey and cheese sandwich. Got some mustard on there. Oh, that's a lot of pepper. Okay, sprinkling some pepper on there. I might add. So all of my kids are going to be having a sandwich like this today. This was in the fridge, so I had it prepared. I think I'm gonna add just a drizzle of mayo just to add the creamy texture that I like so much. I know. Mayo is just not good, but you know what? I think it tastes amazing. So I'm just using regular Walmart brand mustard, and then pepper, and then I'm gonna put just a little bit of mayo and then cut it in half. All right, so to make things better, it is light mayonnaise at least. So I put that there. And now I'm just gonna put this on here. It is so hard. I'm watching this as I'm recording, and I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'll have some chips. All right, you guys. So this is my whole lunch. I cut this in half, like you guys already saw, the turkey and cheese sandwich with light mayo and some mustard and some pepper. I also cut up some celery stalks, and so this is about like 2 stalks, but cut up, so it's like actually a little bit less than 2 stalks, about like a stalk and a half's worth of celery, and I've spread some peanut butter on them. And then I have just this bag of nacho cheese chips I got from Walmart. This is like I know, not super healthy, but it's all right, it's life. And for a drink, I am drinking my Zero Wild Cherry Pepsi. So that is my lunch, you guys. And I will be giving my kids peanut butter and jelly I'll be giving Riley a peanut butter and jelly sandwich cut up in little pieces. And Jaden and Sean are going to have turkey and cheese sandwiches. Riley can't do the texture of that, so he's going to have peanut butter and jelly. He can't have this. He has a sensory disorder, so this doesn't work for him. And he'll probably have some chips too with his peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and he'll have some chocolate milk. So that is their lunch, and this is my lunch. So this is just my breakfast for today because I am super busy this morning. I'm on the go, so I'm just gonna have this and bring a bottle of water with me until I come back for lunch. So this is a blueberry muffin. This actually tastes like there's like added protein in it for some reason. Like it just tastes like that, but I don't know if there is, but blueberry muffin and a gala apple. I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's my breakfast for today because I'm so on the go. The kids are having cereal and an apple. So that's what they are having today. And this is what my kids are having, minus Riley. He's having a PB&J sandwich and a string cheese. So, but my older kids are getting a string cheese, some baby carrots, cut up apples, and then a ham and cheese sandwich. So that's what my older kids are having for lunch. Alright guys, so today for lunch I'm gonna make 2 baked potatoes, and they're gonna be loaded potatoes. So there's gonna have shredded cheese, there's gonna be sour cream and butter, and these 2 medium-ish large, this is like a medium, this is more of a large baked potato. Sorry if you hear the background, my son is playing Fortnite. And then I love to use this potato express thing. It actually freaking works. I cannot believe it. It works so well. I've been using this for years now, and I swear by it. Like, normally those gimmicky things that are on TV, like as seen on TV, are like really cruddy stuff. This is actually fantastic. So I recommend this highly. I will try to put a link to getting one of these in my description box below if I can. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you guys what these look like when I'm done cooking them.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. Oh.
Alright guys, so this is my loaded baked potatoes. I'm gonna have 2 of these for lunch. I probably will also grab like a Nutri-Grain bar or an orange, maybe a mandarin orange. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Sorry, flowers in the way. Alright, that is my lunch. Mandarin orange and 2 loaded baked potatoes. I know this is definitely not keto friendly. I'm not 100% keto. I just try to limit my carbs on some days, not every day obviously. but yeah, I feel like this is a decent lunch because today is just a day where I'm getting stuff done. I'm filming a cleaning video today, so I can't be like getting myself too full where I just don't want to move afterwards. So this is my lunch for today. Alright, so this morning, because I am on the go again, being pretty busy, and I just had a good workout, I am going to be having some light peach yogurt with 2 hard-boiled eggs with pink Himalayan salt on it. Yes, I completely suck at peeling eggs. I get that. If I had some, I would also pair it with whole wheat or whole grain toast. So that's really good. But I'm eating this because I'm on the go. I have to go to my kids' school to pick up their free breakfast and lunches because right now in quarantine, their school is just doing that for every kid. So I was like, hey, might as well do that, and it will save us food and just prolong the food we have. So that's good. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys what I'm having for lunch. All right, and this is what my kids are having for breakfast. Jaden is having some Cocoa Puff cereal, some Scooby Snacks graham crackers, and some apple juice. Those were actually from the kids' school, so thank you to their school. And for lunch this day, my kids and I had beef taquitos and apples and sour cream. This plate is Riley's plate just because it's easier for him to eat it this way. And for dinner, we had pot roast that I made in my Instapot, and boy oh boy did it taste really good. And Riley actually went to sleep early this day because he played really hard with his cousins, so he actually only had yogurt and applesauce for dinner. Poor kid. This morning we are having raspberry peach oatmeal. I'm having 2 packets because just one is just not enough. And some coffee, definitely some coffee. And for lunch, I just have these whole wheat wraps, tortilla wraps with turkey and white American cheese and ham and cheese in them, and then some tortilla chips and some salsa, and I'm using light ranch, and the kiddos are having the same thing. All right, so the kids and I are gonna have Cookie Crisp cereal because guess what? We're human, and moms can be kids too, right? Right, ladies? Moms can be kids too. So, Cookie Crisp cereal this morning. I know, not the healthiest choice, but it's one of those days, and I'm being as real as I possibly can for you. So this is what we're having for breakfast, and probably like an apple or an orange on the side. No joke, that's what we're gonna have, because I have a lot of apples and oranges right now and I want to go through them before they get bad. So having this and some fruit, that's my breakfast, and the kids' breakfast as well. All right, you guys, I thought I'd share a healthy snack because I haven't shared any snacks throughout the day, and we do snack throughout the day. I mean, that we have like goldfish crackers or those cheese whales and like pretzels and stuff, but this is gonna be a healthy snack for me because I had a not so healthy breakfast, as you guys saw. So I'm having light peach yogurt, but I'm also going to be adding in some granola with raisins and cranberries, whatever that is, in there. I'm going to mix, not all of this, that won't fit in there, but just like probably 2 large spoonfuls of this in here, mix it up. That's my healthy snack of the day. All right, so for today for lunch, we're just having leftover pot roast. I made some pot roast last night for dinner in my Instapot. So the kids and I, the older kids and I, are having pot roast, and I chopped up some onions in mine. And Riley's having a homemade Lunchable. So we're doing Ritz crackers, cheese slices, and ham slices. I would show that to you guys, but he already ate it. So that's what he had for lunch. All right, just gotta cook this, gotta boil this, and then I'm gonna add some Alfredo sauce. All right, so I just steamed some broccoli and I'm gonna add it to this. My husband doesn't like broccoli, so I made him a bowl without it. So I'm gonna add this to it and stir it up. All right, now to dish it up. Now it's ready. I sprinkled some crispy onion straws on top of it, and now it's absolutely perfect for me. This is dinner, so I got chicken fettuccine alfredo with broccoli and crispy onion straws. That's what we had for dinner. We even have leftovers for tomorrow. All right, you guys, I hope you loved this video. Give me a like, that'd be awesome. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Siobhan. I am the Lazy Housewife. I welcome you to my channel. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. And like I said earlier, head on over to Loving Our Lives channel, and I have the link in my description box below, so you can head on over there. You will not regret it, and definitely watch their video and see how they did. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.